Welcome to Cooking and Cuisine Thursday. Are you ready to test your brain? Keep your eyes open, a ghost fact could appear at any time. What is the purpose of docking a pie crust before baking it? Correct. To prevent it from puffing up unevenly. Which chef is known for his work with Noma, a restaurant that helped popularize new Nordic cuisine? Nailed it, Redzepi. Which of these ingredients is essential for making a classic French vinaigrette? Correct, mustard. Which of these types of vinegar, often used in Mediterranean salads and marinades, is made from grapes and has a slightly sweet flavor? Correct, balsamic vinegar. What region of the U.S. is strongly associated with the boiled peanut snack? Boom! Correct. Deep South. What region of France is most closely associated with the dish Bouillabaisse? Boom! Correct. Provence. Which cheese is traditionally pressed inside woven reed mats, leaving a distinctive pattern on its rind? Nailed it, Reblochon. A friend who just turned 21 asks you what dessert wine to try first. Which is a good entry-level option? Boom. Correct. Moscato d'Asti. What is quiche used for in professional bread baking? That's right, a linen cloth used to support shaped dough during proofing. What is the name of the common Chinese cooking wine made from glutinous rice that is often used for marinades and sauces? That's right, Shaoxing. Like, follow, and tap that bell. Famous Landmarks drops tomorrow.